When tackling your business operations, I recommend getting your systems and processes in place for your offers first. Your offers, after all, are what makes your business a business. They are what bring in your money. Having strong systems for your offers means less stress for you and less stress for your clients. It also ensures that you're delivering a more consistent service to your clients and gives you a place to refine and optimize from. In today's video, we are going to go through the 5 key parts of your offer systems. In case you don't know me, I am Mariah. My business is Bloom Hustle Grow, where I help service-based entrepreneurs get their business operations organized and optimized to make the hustle happier. Okay, let's dive into those 5 key parts of any offer systems. First of all, let's just talk about the broader information that you need for your system. What tools are you using? What assets are you using? So this is anything like graphics, sales page, copy, templates, canned emails, any of those kinds of things that you use within your offers, those are assets. And then your process. So what are the steps that you actually have to take or members of your team actually have to take to deliver said offer? And for some offers, it can be completely automated. There are no manual steps. Those are really the 3 key components of any system, whether that's offers or marketing or anything. It's tools, assets, and processes. Let's break that down a little bit further into the 5 key parts to your offer systems. So number 1 is your onboarding system. How does somebody contact you to start working with you? What information is needed from them before they become a client? How do they pay you for that service? So those are the 3 key things you need for your onboarding systems. Your delivery system. How do you deliver said service or product to your client? What is needed for you to perform and deliver the service? 3, your internal processes. What are all the steps associated with a given offer that you perform manually? So you may need to manually send them an email. This doesn't mean you don't have templates for that. Each step within your process that you are performing manually, if you're writing an email, if you're putting together a document or a PDF or anything like that, there should be a template that you're working from. And that's a really important time-saving step within your internal processes that can help you better optimize and deliver your services. Back to the internal processes. So what steps are you or a team member performing manually for each of the offers that you have? And then your offboarding system. So what happens once you deliver your service or product to your client? Asking for feedback, asking for reviews, asking for testimonials, moving or deleting files or assets. And then finally, number 5 is your optimization process. Regular reviewing of your offers and your processes. How can they improve to better serve you and your clients? In this step, you're looking for what are frequently asked questions for clients. Do I constantly get emails asking like, where are we meeting? Or do you need my hex codes or whatever? Are there some questions that come up a lot, or are there frustration points for you or the client through your delivery process that you can address somewhere within your templates or your communications or things like that? All 5 of these steps within your offer process should live within your project management tool, and all the documents and assets and templates needed to perform this should also live within that project management tool. What you want to do is start with each offer you have and go down each category above, documenting and organizing any assets, links, templates needed for each part of your offer. You can watch an example of how I've organized it in my project management tool of choice, Trello, in the video that is linked below. So if you just need an idea about what this looks like in action within a project management tool, please watch that video.